Ben versus Ultima. Round 2. Fail. Where did I put the gazing thing? Oh, it's still down there. Okay. So I got the oil pan off. Now I've got the oil baffle. I'm not actually sure if it has to come off. I'll take it off. I mean, it's going to be properly treated anyway. Alright, fortunately that did not fall in the oil pan. I mean in the drain pan. Okay. I might have to take, yeah, I think I have to take the air conditioning off. I might take my wideband off to protect it. Easy enough. Oh, well, the upper oil pan bolts are 12s anyway. Oh, it's just one of the ones where I gotta take the shroud off the transmission. Well, I don't think so, but it looks like I have to take off the lower, or the rear transmission mount. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, looks like I do. So the rear transmission mount, it's got a bolt through the bell housing at the top, bolt through the block at the bottom, right up against the subframe crossmember. It's got a bolt through the back into the bell housing underneath the differential, and then it's also got a bolt going through the actual rubber mount itself. Now I should be able to take those off without the engine, you know, just falling on me. I'm not worried about that. I'm a little worried about being able to reach this one of these bolts that goes underneath of the subframe. But once I do that, let's see, do I have any more in the way? Huh, you know, this one actually, this upper oil pan kind of looks different. I'm going to go grab the other one. Oh, no. It's just got two, like, shroud bolts, probably 10s. Let's see. Got this, and the rest is down there. I have a feeling that I'm I'm going to be pulling this subframe crossmember out. Man, I don't want to. I don't think I have much of a choice. Okay, folks, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the two motor mount bolts, front and back, take the subframe down, which looks like it's standalone. So I don't think I have to worry about detaching a bunch of other stuff. And it looks like 14s for the cross bolts. Kind of looks like 18 for the frame bolts. So